Hi, and welcome to my first devlog video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this top-down shooter game that I'm currently working on. I don't have an official name to it though, so if you have any good suggestions or solid idea, I'm totally open for it. I'm currently developing this game in Unity and using C# to write my codes. And as you can probably tell, it's about a player that can shoot and move and so on. It's not much at the moment, but we'll get there. So in Unity, I created a simple square sprite, added some rigid body and a circle collider to it, so that the object is solid and can be interacted to. After that, I created a simple script called player movement. As the name of the script, this will handle all the player movement, like running and dashing and so on. The code is actually very simple. I just added basic player input and a rigid body as a motor. I add them all up and multiply it with the speed, and we have a moving square. You can move it up in any 2D directions like up, down, left, or right. I quickly added a temporary gun and I want it to rotate with the mouse position. I achieved this by just subtracting the mouse position and the player position, and it works not fine. What's wrong with you? A quick fix in my code, just deleted the wrong calculations. Now it works as intended. I started working on the shooting mechanics of the game that works when clicking the left mouse button. The process of shooting is that the script spawns a bullet that has a physics on it and add a force to it, moving the object indefinitely, imitating a real bullet. I also added a temporary bullet graphics. It's just a circle sprite and it's for testing purposes only. Later, I will change the sprite. Now you can see it's not working at all. A quick check to my code and I just forgot to call the shoot function that I just created. And now it's working. But for the moment, it has no fire rate and can shoot a ridiculous amount of bullet at once. I just added a fire rate to my shooting mechanics by just having a number that decreases over time. When the number hits 0, the player can just shoot and the loop resets back. Now, I can control how fast or slow a gun can shoot. Very nice. But the gun looks like a little boring. Not just little, it's so boring. A little disclaimer, I just want you all to know that I'm not a pixel artist. I don't know nothing about art, I'm just trying to make a pixel art for my game. I simply added some color and shading to my gun so that it would look like a real gun. The design that is in my head is a sci-fi gun because, sci-fi guns are cool. I think this is the weapon that I'm thinking in my head. I just imported it to my game, a quick edit here and there, and it looks really nice. Just adding some shoot effect using Unity's particle system and a quick implementation to spawn a shoot effect when a bullet is spawned. Looking 100% more beautiful without a shoot effect. You can also move while shooting, which is very nice. Now, the only thing that is missing is a proper bullet sprite. A quick visit in a sprite and a quick import to Unity, and the bullet object is looking really great compared to the last one. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I will be uploading another devlog video not too soon. And if you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.